In 2012, did you know that
7 million people were affected? 2.3 million people were displaced. 597,476 houses were destroyed and damaged. Over 363 people killed. An estimate of 2.6 trillion naira was lost.
you too can make a difference? Do not build houses along waterways or flood-prone areas. Evacuate from flood-prone areas immediately to safer grounds. Avoid dumping of refuse in gutters and water channels. Clear drainage and waterways. Adhere to early warning alerts. Always listen to the weather forecast on your radio and TV. Take warnings from relevant authorities serious.
This message is from the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, and the Presidential Committee on Flood Relief and Rehabilitation.